everyone! Hello Japan! So bago mag-New Year, gagawa tayo ng prosperity plate. Kailangan pala natin ngayon ng ceramics plate. For now, a ceramic is considered lucky for 2026 due to the year of being the year of the fire horse. Kailangan pala natin ng ceramic bowl na kakasya ang 12 eggs. Maglalagay tayo ng rice, represents good luck and abundance. Sa ilalim pa nito, maglalagay tayo ng cotton kasi lucky ito ngayon 2026. And palilibutan natin ng another 12 bay leaves. Dahil ang dahon na to ay nagsisimbolize ng protections to ward off negativity and attract positive energy. Then, maglalagay din tayo ng chocolate gold coin. Kung ayaw nyo namang maglagay ng totoong gold sa inyong prosperity bowl. Ang gold coin ay considered na lucky coins. Then, another 12 paper bills. Any amount will do basta may muka. Depende ito sa paniniwala. Pero sinasabi nga ng iba, it can be a lookout for our house. And placing an orange at the center of a space is used to attract good luck, wealth, and prosperity. Then, sa loob naman ng red lucky envelope, and we need to put 3 paper bills. Why 3? Because in year 2026, number 3 signals creativity, joy, and confidence. Kahit ano pa ang paniniwala natin, basta positive tayo lagi, sigurading saswertehin sa buhay. Happy New Year, everyone!